Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Ruby Almond Cookies. These cookies are surprisingly so easy to make, and they have a nutty flavor as well as the naturally ruby glow, which goes perfectly with the season. I do hope you enjoy making it as much as I enjoyed recording it. If you have any questions, please just drop them down in the comment section and I'll do well to respond. Keep watching and enjoy. Oh, and as it's my custom, I am going to list out all the ingredients that I used in the description box below so you can also check it out.